Alright, so here are the pieces that came in the box. Shower head, the unit that connects to the shower pipe from the wall, and then of course the hose. Some instructions. You need to be aware you need some pipe thread tape, so have your own. Make sure you go get some before you start the project. Alright, so this is cool, connects right to that with a nice magnet. Says no tools needed on the instructions, so that's good for me. We'll see how long this takes. It is right now 5:25, so let's see how long this takes. And it's already loose because it's old. I'm going to take this off so that it is easier to rotate. Hang on, it's gonna fall in a second, so I want to pause it. All right, got the shower hose off. Now this should just twist off. Got some old tape on there, so I'm gonna brush that off real quick and move on to the next. All right, got that pretty clean now. Most of the got the old pipe tape off, so now we're gonna put some new stuff on. All right, new tape is on, just 1.5 wraps, and on to the next part. All right, so this part should just go right on. No tools needed, right? Hand tight only, it says. That's about right, I think. There we go. Okay. That should do it. All right, so next step is to connect the shower hose. All right, I ran a little bit of water through and just a little bit of leak, so I tightened it up a little bit. Now we're going to put on the shower hose. Here, both sides, both ends look to be the same, so it doesn't really matter which one I use. And just gonna, the instructions do not say to use any pipe tape, so I'm assuming because it's the same type of material. I don't know. Oh, I don't know. Anyway, hand tight because it is just plastic. All right. Now we're going to connect that piece to the shower head. All right, so I got the shower head. See that? I'm going to connect it to the magnet part right there. That way I can use one hand to film and one hand to tighten. So, all right. So I'm going to give it a couple more twists off camera, and we will try this puppy out. All right, she's all tightened up. This is what the head looks like. It's got a little switch here for the type of shower. I don't know. We'll find out what it is. I forget now. Oh, hang on. Let's turn on the cold water. Oh, first try. Any leaks? No, no, and no. Gotta love that. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Now it's now let's see what happens when I turn this. Oh, okay. All right. Well, check that out. Are you kidding me? That's gonna be fun. So 3 settings, that cone type, the full head, and then this rotating stuff. Slick. All right. I need to take a shower, so that's it. That is the end. And it only took about 10 minutes if you subtract my filming time and all that. Pretty darn good for me.